Life after death. It's one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions, a mystery that has fascinated minds for thousands of years. From religion to philosophy, and even modern science, people everywhere have searched for answers to one eternal question. What happens when we die? Most religions believe that something within us, the soul, the spirit, or consciousness, continues beyond death. In the Abrahamic faiths, Christianity, Islam, and Judaism, life after death centers on divine judgment. The soul departs to an eternal home, heaven or hell, depending on faith, deeds, and God's mercy. In both Christianity and Islam, a final judgment day and resurrection are key beliefs. In the Dharmic traditions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, death is not the end, but part of an endless cycle known as samsara. Our actions, or karma, shape our next life. The ultimate goal? Liberation, moksha or nirvana, freedom from the cycle of rebirth and suffering. Many ancient and indigenous cultures teach that the spirit journeys to another realm, an ancestral world, underworld, or celestial domain, joining those who came before. For philosophers, death raises deep questions about consciousness and identity. Plato and Descartes proposed dualism, the idea that mind and body are separate. The soul, they said, is immortal. Death is only its release. Materialists like Epicurus believed the opposite, that consciousness ends when the brain stops. As he wrote, "Death is nothing to us. When we exist, death is not present. And when death is present, we no longer exist." Other thinkers suggest that while the self may perish, something impersonal, our influence, our energy, continues to echo through time. Modern science explores death through the study of consciousness and the brain. The dominant scientific view is that when brain function stops, when oxygen and blood no longer flow, consciousness ends forever. Yet, near-death experiences challenge that view. People revived after clinical death often describe vivid moments, floating above their bodies, moving through a tunnel of light, meeting deceased loved ones, or feeling immense peace. Scientists suggest biological explanations, endorphin release, disruptions in the temporal lobe, or chemicals like DMT flooding the brain. But others point to reports of accurate perceptions during these states, experiences that seem to defy medical explanation. Could consciousness exist beyond the brain? The debate continues. Perhaps the greatest mystery of all is not death itself, but what it reveals about life. Across faiths, philosophies, and frontiers of science, humanity continues to seek the answer. Maybe life after death is not just about what happens after we die, but how deeply we choose to live before we do.
The question is, heaven or hell? Did you live according to God's rule on earth? Then you will be welcomed by good spirits. But if you do the opposite, you will be welcomed by the bad spirits.
I love you all.
His heart, it's gone. Spirit of the faithless, come downward.
Don't forget to click the link in the description to learn more about how to care for both your body and soul.